beautiful humans of Earth, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will demonstrate how to quickly install the seat onto your Rad Runner 2 so that you can share the future of mobility with your friends and family. The installation is quite simple. Just watch these steps. I'm sure you will figure it out too. I've been completely obsessed with my new electric bike recently. The only problem is I can't bring any of my friends on these wonderful experiences of flowing through New York City. Thankfully, the humans at Rad Power Bikes created a passenger seat that's stylish yet comfortable.